Good morning, good morning. Si Ryan, oh.
Morning. Preparation.
Oh, here's Alex, the new guy. First time for offshore. Say hi, Alex.
Hi.
Oh, Captain.
Ayos.
Up. Up. Up.
Oh, undock yours.
Andak.
But this one is not legal.
Legal or no legal? Okay, another one. Itok. I don't know.
I will change my boat.
Oh no. Big one, big.
Legal, no legal? Not legal. First catch by Alex. Packing Barracuda. Barracuda. Yes. Hmm?
What?
Yeah, you are not putting the fish on the ice.
We will put it upper.
Ah. Just catching and putting.
Andak. Maybe siya Abo, laban. Ay, foul hook. Captain, oh. Ha? Syam. Big one. Yeah. Ang ganda.
Ano?
Syam.
Wow.
Ryan, no? Bomba.
Lang net. Baka malapit ko.
Oh. Same here, blood. Oop. Shari. Wow. Oh, catch by
Finally.
Alex, hold your fish.
Nice cut.
Yeah, just on the line. Yes, sir. Yeah, that's Alex. Good. So how's the feeling? Good?
Nice.
Yeah, this one. Bucket.
Ah, bucket. Yeah.
Yeah, Alex is cleaning his first fish. Sir Ryan on the run.
Sorry.
Oh. Yes, sir. Yan na. Siyam. Ay, andak, sir. Andak.
Hindi, foul hook. Ako na sir. Foul hooking.
Palhok pa. Huwag lang makawala.
Ayan. Laki. Retrieval ba yan?
Ano to, sir? To. Yes!
Sige, iangat mo lang, huwag mo nang ikwan.
Naka... Siyam!
What's the biggest one?
No. Maybe same as Sir Ryan.
Syaam.
Gamitan ng 2-in-1 half na hook, sir. Alam mo yung 2-in-1 half?
Wala na. Naputol na.
Putol yung isa. Kagat. Oh?
Yun o.
Oh my God.
Bad omen.
Bad omen.
We are talking about omen. Is a bad omen. Ang liit ng clip mo pero matibay.
Ano?
Yung tatak niyan.
Clip.
Yung clip mo sa kwan, snap.
Doon kay ano? Doon kay sino to? Junaid.
Ha?
Junaid. Ano nga to
Yan, matibay din
yung kulay dilaw. May brand din, Japan din.
What is brand of that? Flats also?
Pounds. Small blood.
Good kasi. Ano, this is up.
Chevron.
Oh.
We have almost
Sir.
blood. Yun, no? Wow!
Yes. Up.
Alright.
Captain, it's a shark. Aha. What you think, Captain?
Kobya. Baka catfish yan.
I don't like cobia. Even how big. Andak, my friend.
Buti lang sure.
2-in-1 half jig. Hihi. Gani, sir. Ayun na. Andak, my friend. Using Baldado jig. 2-in-1 half hook. 1, 2, half. Sir, now. What fish? Paul hook? No.
Kailangan mo lang.
Ay! Ay!
Nice job.
Oh! Oh.
Nabali. Laki pala. Release.
Bakit pa? Next trip you come again?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ha. Kapitan. Yung show. Ba't malakas?
Dagdag pa, makalima pa tayo.
Andak na naman, sir. Yes. Ay. Ayan. Okay.
Ay, sumali.
Yan, doon na siya. Ayan, please.
Ah.
Minsan panira din tong kamera. Ang ganyan, sir, o bawiin yan. Andak. Up. Come to Papa. Siro, ganyan palagi ang kagat niya, oh. You're already baba now, no? See? Yan, siro.
Sa'yo malalaki.
Ha?
Nakaapat ka na, oh. Ako dalawang napakaliliit.
Dribble lang sa ilalim.
Meron siya ako. Ah, nakala ko.
Hindi,
Oo,
dribble.
meron lang ako.
Good size? Good size?
Yeah. Good size.
Tumatanda na talaga ako. Paupo-upo na lang, sir.
Relax.
Alex. Show.
Catch and release.
Release. Catch and release. Oh, Captain. Ayaw ko sayangin yung little jack ko kasi. Pantuna ko yun, eh. Ginugulat ako, sir, oh. I want to Up. Oh. Ay, ito, good size na to.
Oh, good size. Slow.
Yeah, different species.
Ha?
Different species.
This is different.
The stripes.
This is what they are telling us, how they can tell that looks not. But you can use also what do we call that? I forgot already. Splintering.
Ah. What this one?
This one is good.
Oh, fake.
Or
This one,
split.
bro.
Yeah, this one.
This one. Use this one.
Bottom weight.
To
will try it.
Air weight,
Yeah.
air weighted.
Then when you feel the floor like this one, ducks, this one, right?
The ducks.
I like
One of
this.
the ducks.
I like this. I catch a lot on my Blue Current TC 9.3. I catch a lot of
But it's
fish.
good for casting, not for
Yeah.
Yes.
offshore.
But there is version of that for offshore. The ducks, 100 grams or 120.
Flats to, sir?
Half na tayo niya.
20 gram. I had a 40 gram one, but
This is quite bigger because this is made of
aluminium. Zinc, yes.
metal. What is that? Zinc.
It's zinc. Also, this one is zinc.
This one also.
Yes, zinc one. I caught kingfish on this one 2 weeks ago on Noranda.
What is the brand of this?
It's Nature Boys.
Ah, really? They have like this? Nature Boys?
Yeah, it's Nature Boys. I don't have package for it.
You know this, there is one jig named Pokilong in Japan, but that one was very in before. First time of jigging. Pokilong by Nature Boys. Very good.
Yeah, I have this one also.
This one for sure, Hayabusa.
It's this one.
See? Hayabusa. I have also like this. This is very, where did you get this?
Also in the same store, yes.
I need that one.
Everything from this store.
I need that, please give me. You know where I ordered this one? In Greece. In Greece, I ordered this one in Greece. I have 6 of that.
I'll share the link. The site is not good. It's difficult
Yeah.
to navigate. But
No problem.
If it-
on the bottom there are different brands. You just click on brand and
So means
Search.
that that shop is okay, yeah?
only Barracuda on this. I bought it for casting on kingfish, but nothing. Only Barracuda.
Actually, I have still in the box.
The box.
I still
What color is your favorite? You have a specific color your favorite?
I like.
You know,
Green silver.
try the RA160. RA160 is the one with blue. Blue in the center. Yung
Ayan.
nakahuli mo, sir. That is
This.
the RA160.
Ah, yeah, no, this color.
Illegal, illegal.
Legal.
Oh, illegal. Legal, illegal. Legal. Cobol. Ganda ng taga na to, sir. Kahit ba? Illegal. Oh, habibi.
Legal or illegal?
Bring your mom. Oyoy ka. Alex is arranging his things. How's your first offshore, Alex?
Perfect.
Good?
Yeah,
Perfect? You enjoy it?
of course.
Next trip again?
Sure.
Alright, Sir Ryan.
Very good today.
Very good. Sherry area.
Very area only.
Pagod na guys. Ropsy, Ropsy. Better than Rana?
A lot better. Different fish.
Yeah. So what's your plan on your fish? What delicacy you will cook?
Fillets and fry.
Mm.
Don't have a grill to grill it.
You know how to, but they allow you to fry there?
Yeah. They're not checking.
Oh. Not smelling on the whole building now?
Previously not. Maybe today.
60, no 80.
Yes.
This one I buy just for that area.
First experience in offshore.
Good one.
Yeah.